Hey guys, so this is part 3 of my beauty room makeover. Don't mind the lights, don't mind my appearance, it's my day off and I did not feel like doing makeup, I just did my brows. So I got all of my stuff in for my vanity mirror. So I got the light bars, don't mind the room, it's a huge mess right now. So I got 3 of the 6 36-inch light bars and all of my stuff's here. And then I got these light bulbs. They're LEDs, 5000K lights, so it's daylight because I wanted to get the most natural looking light in here. And they are dimmable. And my room's a mess. My dad mounted up this on the wall because when I show you downstairs, it's going to sit on here, so not all of the weight is going to be on my desk, just because it's super long and there's only one tiny little leg in the middle. And we wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to flip over. So we went to Home Depot yesterday and got some supplies, so it's going to sit right there. I'm going to paint it white. We'll prime it first and then paint it white. I did get a 2-pack on Amazon. They are the Hypercon, I don't know how I'm saying it. Vanity light fixture with polished silver finish. I did realize one of the ones that I got, the separate one, this one, it's chrome, but I feel like it's just gonna look the same anyways. So these two are already like set up, so literally just plug it in, but have these so all 3 go to one plug because we are putting a dimmer in it as well, so I want it all to be cohesive. This pack I think was, I'm gonna have to look, I think it was like 60 or 50 something dollars for the 2-pack, and then the one separate was $27.99. And then I got two sets of 10 packs, and they're 6 watts LED, and I'm gonna have 18 lights in total, so I'll have 2 extras in case any of them burn out. Those were $29.99 for 10, so I spent $60 on the lights. And then we got some supplies from Home Depot yesterday, the wood and everything, and the few things that I have here. That all costed me around $65, I think, with tax, just because we were being extra and doing like a little mount on the wall. My mirror was, I believe, $35. I got it so long ago, I can't even remember. This was the first thing I got for my beauty room, way before my beauty room was even, like, done. So we got this plate for the dimmer. We got the Gorilla Glue to put the mirror onto the plywood. And the dimmer should be over here. Yeah. So this is the dimmer that we got. And it just looks like that. And what I like is it gives you 2 options for the little knob. So this will be perfect. It's gonna be white to match. I hate off-white, so yeah, we're gonna put the white one on. So I'm gonna take you downstairs. Don't mind the state of the garage, but I'm gonna go paint it down there so I don't have to worry about getting anything on the carpet, bringing all these blankets and stuff up, or painters, mats, whatever you wanna call it, to bring it up here and paint it or bring it outside because this thing is heavy. Oh, and then I have just a little thing here so that I made, I can't remember if I showed it in my last video or not, but that I made, and then that's just my Jeffree Star and Manny collab box, which kind of sad looking at now because they're not friends anymore. And then I just got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. No, Bath & Body Works. I keep doing that now because of my dad. But it's just a white opal candle and it was on sale for $12.50. So I got that because I love the smell. And I don't know what I'm putting down there or up there yet. So we're gonna see. And then I just need curtains and then this room will be done. The other thing I want to show you is I spray painted this black glitter, and it looked awful before just because some parts were uneven because I didn't have enough spray paint left. So I just painted the insides black so it looked better, and then I just put these rhinestone stickers on there. I am going to glue it down because it's not really staying. And then This is my brush holder. It's not done yet. I just put those in there just to get them out of the way. But I spray painted this as well. Painted the inside black and then put this on. But because it's been so hot, the adhesive from the stickers hasn't been staying down. So I'm going to hot glue that as well. And those are just my little crafts for in here for now until I get something else. So I'm currently in the garage. I just opened the door because it's too dark in here and I want to make sure everything looks perfect. So storm is of course coming now, but I finished that little part, primed all that, so I might have to paint in the dark when this dries because I don't know how long this is gonna last or if it's even gonna be anything. Guys, so I'm back and I'm going to paint it with the stain blocking paint and primer in one, even though I primed it. Ultra pure white, the same white that I used for the trim of the room. So I'm not going to paint the whole thing white because Mira's going here anyway, so there's no point sticking it there or painting it there. So I'm basically just going to do a little bit here and then just paint the sides. So I'm going to paint all the sides white and then just a little bit over on here as well. Where every time I paint, rain clouds come. It's like it's doing it on purpose. Yeah, so that is the front piece. So the mirror is actually the size of this, and we have this much room. So now we're gonna make a little box over here to house the dimmer and like feed the wire to go up into here somehow. I don't know how, but guys, so don't mind my appearance. I literally just got home from work from a 9-hour shift and my hair's crazy, my makeup's melting off, and I'm extremely exhausted. I don't know why I did that. But I just want to show you my mirror in daylight. It's right here. And I'm so excited. It's so nice. Like, I'm living. I'm probably going to be doing my makeup down here from now on. We'll see. But don't mind my fat legs. So this is the mirror. And don't mind all that crap. That all has to be put back on the desk and cleaned up. So don't mind this little piece down here. Originally we thought it was going to be a lot smaller. I mean a lot bigger. Like if you saw when I was painting, we had a big piece like this big. Because we forgot how big this mirror is. So we were expecting the mirror to end like about there. And then we were just going to have like a little white piece across the bottom. So it's a lot bigger than what we thought. What my dad's going to do is build a little unit to go across there and hold all my brushes. So we're going to have a little like brush holder organizer all across the bottom. And he's not going to attach it to the mirror. It's basically just going to sit in front of the mirror. That way it'll be easy for me to clean. So I'm really excited. So let me turn the lights on and show you in the daylight. So I love that we built the little dimmer over here. It's so good. It has a slight like humming noise. I don't know if you can hear it. It's so light though that it's not really that crazy. And when it's on all the way, it disappears. Well, it gets lower. When I do makeup in here, I'm going to be listening to music anyways, and then this is it about like halfway. And then, whoop, and then off. So I like that this turns it on and off. And then there's also the switch down here. So it also has this to turn it on and off. And then also the outlet right here turns it on and off. So whenever I'm not using it, obviously I'll just turn the outlet off. And then as you can see, it won't turn on. I'm just gonna sit down, eat, and relax for a bit, and then I'm gonna come in here later on and set all of my stuff up over there. I just can't believe like how big this thing is. Like, I'm so glad I got the bigger Alex and Lindman desk, because if I got the desk that I have up in my room, this mirror would be way too big, you know, just look very odd. So I'm glad I got the big vanity.